Alright guys, let's go ahead and get this triple rookie run for Moose. I'm going to go ahead and get the list copied while we're here. We're going to go ahead and go live. 10 o'clock, you can see there. 10 o'clock on my computer. You guys get to watch me log in. We're going to do a new giveaway. We're going to call this Bird MJ. That's fine. And Magic 8 times. Again, we're at 10 o'clock here. 10 o'clock on my computer. 8 clicks. Yes. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the one that counts, Michael in the 2 spot. Congrats, Michael. Again, 10:01. 10:01. We are done. Michael, get a hold of Josh Moose Stafford on that card right there. We are done.